Northern Lights with that. All right, taking a look here over Blue Ridge, Cameron, Palmdale. You can see clear skies and sunshine here at 80 degrees. Perfect conditions when it comes to those temperatures and looking at the sunshine, but the winds are really picking up 17 miles per hour. And over Hollywood, we see a lot of cloud coverage still overhead for the coastal areas as well as the valleys, 72 degrees with that light wind. Now, we are going to expect to see the low clouds and morning fog continue into our morning hours, especially as we continue on for the next couple of days. Below normal temperatures also continuing as we're anywhere from 3 to 8 degrees below average for this time of year. The static weather pattern just lasting at least through Saturday, as we'll see those similar temperatures and some of the cloud coverage through the morning hours and then exiting by the afternoon hours. The trough here, though, that's in place is really starting to usher in a lot more cloud coverage. We saw that this morning with a thicker marine layer around the coastline here, and it's still sticking around our valley spots. We do expect a gradual clearing as we move into our afternoon, evening hours. Now, take a look here. You can see that trough also here into northern California. It starts to cut off here as a cutoff low just offshore near San Francisco, but we will see less of the cloud coverage as we move closer toward Friday and Saturday. Still getting a little bit along the coastlines, but when it pertains to coming inland more toward those valley spots, we'll get a little bit, but should clear out a little faster into our afternoon, evening hours. Looking at Thursday, 2 p.m., you still see a bit of the clouds there, but we'll start seeing those temperatures at least rising, moving toward the weekend, especially from Sunday into Monday, as we're going to start seeing temperatures gradually getting warmer just through the midweek next week before we may see a little bit of a drop again. Moving into our areas of Palm Springs, highs today around 104 degrees, 85 in Riverside. You're looking at 82 in Covina, 72 Redondo Beach, 88 in Lancaster with 78 degrees in Fillmore, 75 for you in Ojai with 70 in Oxnard. Now mid 70s to upper 70s for the next few days. Now keep in mind we're still getting those morning clouds, just maybe not as deep of a marine layer that we got this morning. We'll still see some of that, especially near the coastlines, and then gradually getting into our valley spots and around LA and Orange County, starting to clear by around the lunchtime, early afternoon hours. Now mid to upper 80s for the next few days as well for the valley and IE, with low 90s on Monday. So there's that gradual warm up we're going to get to by Monday and into Tuesday as well. Our beaches in those mid to low 70s, still getting a lot of cloud coverage through the morning, and some areas may not see that clearing until some of the evening hours. Some of that surf there about 1 to 4 feet. Now as we take a look at our mountains, we are going to be breezy out there for Tuesday and Wednesday, so do expect to see some breezier conditions here with unhealthy for sensitive group air quality. Now our overnight lows are still chilly, low 40s overnight, so definitely pack some sweaters or jackets if you had plans to head up toward the mountains. By the weekend, 77 to 81 Sunday to Monday. Now our deserts will be in those upper 80s to low 90s, pretty gusty winds today and tomorrow, 25 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts. Palm Springs looking at temperatures rising from 105 to potentially fill up 112 degrees. Again, hot again.
Okay, Car, it is the season,
Yeah,
so thank you. Upcoming in your community, check out these events. You don't want to miss them. Saturday, July 26th, learn about health resources.